So number 5. If a raised to power 2, b raised to power minus 3, c everything raised to power 3 over 4 divided by a raised to power minus 1, b raised to power 4, c raised to power 5 is equal to a raised to power x, b raised to power y, c raised to power z. So that means we need to simplify this to get this part before we can now solve for x plus y. Now, let's simplify the left hand side. Remember, this 3 over 4 will affect everything in the bracket this way. This is a raised to power 2 times 3 over 4 times b raised to power minus 3 times 3 over 4 times c raised to power 1 times 3 over 4. That means this 3 over 4 I've multiplied all the powers there, divided by a raised to power minus 1 times b raised to power 4 times c raised to power 5 equals a raised to power s, b raised to power y, c raised to power z. So now you can see 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So this is a raised to power 3 over 2 times b raised to power minus 9 over 4 times c raised to power 3 over 4. Everything over a raised to power minus 1 times b raised to power 4 times c raised to power 5 is equal to a raised to power s, b raised to power y, c raised to power z. Now, law of indices, we are going to divide all this. That is, we need to subtract the powers. So this will becomes a raised to power 3 over 2 plus 1. So 1 over 1, because this is minus, so it is like 3 over 2 minus 1. So minus times minus is plus. So according to law of indices, anytime you have divide, you are going to subtract the power. Times, now for b, this will be b raised to power minus 9 over 4 minus 4 over 1. Then for c, times c raised to power 3 over 4 minus 5 over 1. So everything is equals to this. So still equals to a raised to power x, b raised to power y, c raised to power z. So still equals to now, what is the LCM here? A raised to power LCM is 2. 2 into 1, 1 times 3, 3 plus 1 into 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 2 into 1, 1 times 3, 3, 1 into 2, 2 times 1, 2 times b raised to power LCM 4. So this will be minus 9, 1 and 4. So 4 times 4, 16 times c raised to power LCM 4. 4 in 4, that will be 3 minus 4 times 5, 20, equals a raised to power s, b raised to power y, c raised to power z. Now from here, we need to add all those powers together. You can write it out step by step. So let me cut this. Okay. So let's continue from here. Now this is a raised to power 5 over 2 times b raised to power minus 25 over 4 times c raised to power minus 17 over 4 is equal to a raised to power s times b raised to power y times c raised to power z. Now if you compare both sides, these two together, you will notice now that x is equals to 5 over 2, y is equals to minus 25 over 4. Now according to the question, find s plus 2y. So here s plus 2y will be equals to, so x is 5 over 2 if you compare both sides. So that means this will be 5 over 2 plus 2 brackets. Now y is minus 25 over 4. So this will be minus 25 divided by 4. Now this is 5 over 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So minus 25 over 2. LCM is 2. So this is 5 minus 25. So this is minus 20. So minus 20 divided by 2, that is minus 10. So that means the answer to this number 5 is minus 10. So now let's see number 6. So let's see number 6. 6i. Simplify x squared minus y squared divided by 2x squared plus xy minus y squared. Now to simplify this, we are going to have the up one here is difference of 2 square, that is s plus y, s minus y divided by, now I'm going to solve this using quadratic equation, that's factorization method. So this is 2s squared plus 2sy minus sy minus y squared. So this is the same thing as I can bracket this to 2. So this sign will change if I put brackets. That is the next step. So now what is common? So this will be s plus y, s minus y. Now what is common in the denominator? 2x is common, so it will remain s plus y minus what is common here, y, to remain s plus y. Now this is s plus y, then s minus y over. Now this and this are alike, take 1. So this will be s plus y, then write the outside one. That will be 2x minus y. Now s plus y will cancel out. So the final answer will be s minus y divided by 2s minus y. So that is the final answer. That is the final answer. So s minus y divided by 2x minus y. Now let's see I. So we have 2x minus y square minus x minus 2y square divided by 5x square minus 5y square. Now we are still using difference of 2 square in the numerator. Now this is the same thing as 2x minus y plus s minus 2y. Again, 2x minus y minus s minus 2y. Now if all this one is p and all this one is q, so this will be like p square minus q square. So that will be p plus q, p minus q. So that means this one plus this one, we have it here. Then this one again minus this, we have it here. That is difference of 2 square. So divided by, so this place 5 is common, so it will remain s square minus y square. Now the numerator 2x plus s, so that will be 3s minus 3y. So minus y minus 2y will give us minus 3y. Open bracket again. This will be 2s minus y minus s plus 2y, because this minus will open bracket, minus times minus plus, divided by 5 brackets s plus y, s minus y, because this is difference of 2 square. Now 3 is common here, so it will be 3 brackets s minus y. Now 2s minus s, that will be x, minus y plus 2y, that will be plus y, divided by 5 brackets s plus y, s minus y. We can see here that s minus y will cancel out, x plus y will cancel out. So our final answer is 3 over 5. That means the answer to this question is 3 over 5. Now let's see the next one. I. So I. We have 9 raised to power minus s over 2 times 3 raised to power s plus 2 times 81 raised to power minus 1 over 4. Change everything to index form. This will be 3 square raised to power minus s over 2 times 3 raised to power x plus 2 times 3 raised to power 4. So 3 raised to power 4 is 81 minus 1 over 4. So here 2 can cancel out. It will remain 3 raised to power minus x, because here 2 can cancel out. Then times 3 raised to power s plus 2 times, now 4 can cancel out here also, 3 raised to power minus 1. Now from law of indices, the base are the same. Take 1, so that will be 3, then add the powers. So this will be minus x plus s plus 2 minus 1. So minus s plus s, 0. Yeah, this one is 0. Then 2 minus 1, 1. That's 3 raised to power 1. So answer is 3. So let's say IV. I have 2 IVs. Yeah, maybe it's typo error. This is IV. This is another IV. IV. So I'm taking this one first as IV. Sixteen raised to power 3s over 4 times 8 raised to power 5s over 3 times 4 raised to power s plus 1. So change everything to its index form. 16 is 4 square, or let's use 2 raised to power 4. So times 3s divided by 4. So 8 is 2 raised to power 3 times 5s divided by 3. Then 4 is 2 raised to power 2. Then raised to power s plus 1. So here 4 can cancel out 4. This will be 2 raised to power 3s times 3 can cancel out 3. 2 raised to power 5s times 2 raised to power 2s plus 2. So the base are equal. So take 1, add the power 3s plus 5s plus 2s plus 2. So that will be 2 raised to power 3 plus 5 plus 2, 10. So 2 raised to power 10s plus 2. So that is the answer. Then let's say V, the last one. V we have square root of 125 square. Everything raised to power minus 1 over 3. Now, we need to, you should know that if I have square root of a square, roots will cancel out 2 because square root is power half. So if I want to show that here, this is the same thing as 125 square times 1 over 2. So this square root will turn to 1 over 2. Then everything raised to power minus 1 over 3. So that this will cancel out. It will remain 125 raised to power minus 1 over 3. Now 125 is 5 raised to power 3. 5 times 5 times 5. So times 1 minus 1 over 3. Now 3 will cancel out 3. So it will remain 5 raised to power minus 1. And 5 raised to power minus 1 is 1 over 5. So that is the answer. Thank you.